Hi everyone, welcome to EduBridge India Private Limited. Today we have Jaya Chauhan with us. She has completed a software developer course from School of Coding, Chennai Tambaram Center. She is here to share her experience with us. So welcome Jaya Chauhan.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So Jaya, let us know about your educational background and your family background.
Yes, sir. This is Jaya Chauhan, and I belong to city which is known as the cleanest city of India, that is Indore, which is in Madhya Pradesh. And I have completed my 10th and 12th from St. Mary's High Secondary School, Mahu. Then I have gone for my bachelor degree from Indore Institute of Science and Technology. And after that, I have completed my post graduation from Institute of Engineering and Technology. And afterwards, I have me shifted to Noida, and there I have started my career as a web developer. But due to some personal reasons, I was unable to continue with that organization. And my family background is I have a family of we are a family of five. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. I have one sister, one brother, and one sister. My sister is doing LLB, and my brother is pursuing BCom right now.
Okay, good. Very good. So Jaya, how did you came to know about EduBridge?
I came to know about Edunris through the mail. There it is mentioned that it is an internship program of Video Bridge, which is for women. And then I applied to that email. Then I got a call, and then everything gets started.
Okay, good. So how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
This course has helped me a lot because I have since I started as a web developer, but my keen interest was always towards the backend technology, and I always thought of Java as my primary coding language. In the last organization, I faced a lot of challenges in building applications due to lack of knowledge and lack of understanding also. So I just thought of that if I should give it a try, and I should since that at that time lockdown was happening, so lockdown was there. So I thought it is better to shape your skills in this time. So I have joined EduBridge. So it helped me a lot in my coding skills, in my communications, in my aptitude. Not aptitude, I can basically say I haven't practiced that much. But overall, in terms of coding and in terms of communication, it helped me a lot.
Okay, good. So which part of this course did you find the most interesting?
The development part, since when the Jayant sir started taking classes, and then we got all the concepts clear in with very minute details of every topic. He used to explain each and every detail, each and every topic in a lot of more in lot more details, and there are very means the some of the points that I think that when the only few developers or programmers know that Jayant sir know, and he illustrated that into this manner that understanding of my has gone to a next level. And also he taken means the complex concepts are very complex, but he has taken the complex concept to such a simple extent that even the other teammates which are not from the technical background, they also got the very understanding that what how this flow is working or this code is working, how we should write this.
Good, good. I'm very glad to know this feedback about Jain from you. Thanks for
Yeah.
sharing the feedback. So, how do you find our Learn by Yourself module in this course?
Yeah, they are pretty much interesting. I have gone through the aptitude courses apps that sir has provided, Rajan sir has provided, and then communication faculty. I just don't know the means. I'm not. I forgot her name, but she has given a lot of materials in order to practice the communications and grammars and stuff. So yeah, it is helping a lot.
Okay, good. So, what can we do to make your overall training experience even better? Any
I
suggestion
think
that you want to give?
basically, it was overall very good from my side. I haven't thought of that. There is some. I haven't think of that. Yeah, in communication also they have covered all the topics in terms of aptitude also. Jan sir also has covered everything. Just related with there should be more practical exposure.
Okay,
That is
good.
with the development, so it should be more practical exposure. And yeah, the communication classes was very much interactive. So no as such
Okay,
comment
okay.
on that.
Okay, we will consider your feedback and we will try to focus on the practical implementation more than the theoretical knowledge. In fact, we have started by using a third-party application software where we are asking students to take the coding assessment. So
Yes.
definitely it will help the student to improve their practical knowledge.
Yes, sure. No, there was practical knowledge, but there should be just like real-time project exposure. And if there wasn't a real-time project exposure, at least some module should be given to each and every individual, and it should be checked thoroughly that whether it is working properly. And through that, the trainer comes to know that the student is getting is understanding all these topics.
Yeah, sure, sure. Definitely we will work on that. Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so my next question, would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends or your relatives?
Yeah, I will definitely recommend education and its courses to my friends.
Okay, good. So my last question to you, as you are already got place in one of the organizations, so can you please share your experience? What is the organization name, your salary package, and how you are feeling after getting placed in the organization?
Yeah, so currently I'm placed in Techmetrics Consulting, which is in Noida, and there I'm working as a software engineer into MuleSoft. And MuleSoft is an integration platform. I came to know about this platform through one of my colleagues. So he told me to learn into this platform along with the Java. So meanwhile, I was preparing for Java. I was also preparing for this technology MuleSoft, and then I have started applying into the Java and the MuleSoft both the technologies. Then yes, through that way, so I got selected, and my package last was 8. Means currently my package is 8 LPA.
Okay, so you have 8 LPA package.
Yeah.
Yeah, good, good. Okay, Jayachon, thanks for joining with and giving your valuable feedback. Definitely, we will work on your feedback and we'll
Hmm.
try our level best. Wish you all the best from the EduBridge for your next future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.